everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to build and send a digital deal remotely using the iVendi platform. There are 3 ways to access the Send Deal feature in the iVendi platform: via the customer record, via the stock module, and via the Send Deal icon in the panel on the left-hand side. To begin building your digital deal, enter the vehicle registration number and select Lookup. This will automatically populate the fields with the vehicle registration date, make, model, and derivative. You will need to manually enter the vehicle mileage and select Next. If you've entered the journey via the stock module, this information will automatically populate and take you to the next step. Now you can enter the vehicle price and select whether you would like to offer a discount as part of this deal. Enter the discount amount and the deal will automatically update. If you do not wish to offer a discount, this won't be visible to the consumer. Next, you can add your value-added products to the deal. Select the product you wish to add and select Add VAP. You can add multiple products to each deal. Now we're going to build in the part exchange value and settlement figures. And we can also adjust the annual mileage and term before generating quotes. This will generate quotes from your panel of lenders. You can select multiple quotes to send in every digital deal, providing options for your consumer. Select the quotes you wish to send, and then click Next. If you are sending quotes to an existing customer, you can simply search for and select the appropriate customer record. Alternatively, you can create a new customer record here. If you've entered the journey via the customer record, this information will automatically populate and take you to the next step. Once you have selected your customer, you can review and edit every aspect of the digital deal you are about to send. Tick the box to confirm that you have permission to send these deals, and then click Send Deal. This will generate an email to the customer asking them to create an account or log into an existing account in newvehicle.com, where they can view and amend the quote before applying for finance. Okay, now you can go straight to the customer record, where you can view all digital deals sent to this customer with an audit trail of activity. You can build and send multiple deals until the negotiation process is complete. Once a customer has applied for finance, their application will appear in the Finance Applications section of the iVendi platform dashboard, and you can monitor the progress of the application from here. If you have auto submission enabled, the finance application will appear in the lender update section of the dashboard. So there you go. That's Send Deal, a quick and simple way to send a personalized digital deal remotely without the need for your showroom. Thanks for taking the time to watch this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If you need any further support, please contact us on support@ivendi.com.